This is my everyday use hammer. It's led a hard life, and the handle has quite a few cracks. It slept outside in the rain, and the head is covered in rust and paint. The claw has also seen its fair share of abuse. Let's give this hammer a new handle on life. After a lot of drilling and some persuasion with a hammer and chisel, the head is finally free, and I can get to work making it shine. The handle will be striped, so I'm cutting strips of walnut, beech, babinga and teak. Since I'm using offcuts, my boards aren't thick enough, so I'm making the handle in 2 parts. It's crucial to spread glue across the entire surface to prevent gaps in the final product. My offcuts are too short for the handle, so I'm gluing in extra pieces to make up the length. This part will be hidden inside the head. I'm careful to align each strip since the glue starts to set quickly. Once both parts of the handle are dry, I glue them together. Now I can start preparing the handle. I cut a groove on the table saw to give me a reference for cutting the neck to the right size. I test fit the head and use the marks it creates as a reference to further refine the size of the neck. Eventually, fitting the head requires a few good knocks with the mallet. Now I can start refining the overall shape of the handle. My chisel work isn't spectacular, but I'm pretty happy with the result. With my newfound confidence with the chisel, I start working on the grip of the handle, and it isn't long before I start causing damage and eventually go way too deep. The grip is now too thin and looks terrible, so I cut away the damage and glue in new strips. This time, I'm taking a more measured approach to shaping the grip. I'm finally in the home stretch and can get to cutting a slit in the neck for a wedge. The wedge breaks off after going in only a few millimeters. I cut a new wedge from a denser wood, but it also breaks off, so I give up on attempting to drive the wedge deeper. And now for the best part. Few things give me as much joy as seeing the wood come to life with some Danish oil. My favorite. Even though the handle didn't turn out perfectly, I love the stripes and how shiny the head is. The imperfections are a reminder to my future self of how much I've improved my skills.